This is an Opel Movano camper produced by Wavecamper from Bischoff, and there's their website. So if you want to know how much it costs, because I don't know, you can ask them. The reason I don't know is that because vans are built to order, and this is what the client wanted, so every van is different. So anyway, let's have a look inside. Oh, this one though is relatively straightforward. I don't see many vans on the Opel base. It's mainly Ducatos, of course. Right, so okay, coming in here. Right, the dinette. I'd have to point out the position of the handbrake, which is unfortunate being there, because it does somewhat get in the way. Nonetheless, it hasn't stopped the driver's chair from turning around completely, so it does sometimes get in the way a bit. Now, I'm standing up in the van, so the head height is the next thing, and the head height here I would say is approximately 182 centimeters, something along those lines. So if you're taller than that, this is not a suitable base without a different roof being put on. Now, what is possible in some cases that some builders will remove the factory fitted roof and put an extra high roof on instead, and I shall be showing other vans where this has actually happened. Well, kitchen's relatively standard for a van of this size. Now, what you have here though, you've got a bit of space down here in the gangway, which is quite good, I think. Right, bed at the back. Obviously, it's a very it's a simple design, and that may be what you're looking for. Plenty of space there at the back, and the bed will go up. Oh, there's a lever over there, and that'll give you a lot of space in here should you want to move home or put your bike in or something along those lines. I'm a big fan of these tambour doors. There's a Vitry Frigo, so it's two-way electronic, and you've got out in here a bit more storage, and here as well. Very easy access there to the boiler. Extremely easy access to the boiler. How often you see that easy access? Oh, sit under the bed and show you the aircraft type indirect lighting. Another nice feature in my opinion. Well, now what do you think of that? Indirect lighting in the washroom. Well, that's original. I want to show you the whole thing from the bottom there. Shower tray. Fortunately, it has one of these standard old type campervan type plug holes, and there's only one of them at that. But coming in here, right, it's got your sink, got a couple of places here to keep glasses in, for example, or maybe you're still drinking your beer when you're in the bathroom, so you're probably a bit small for a tin though, a can I should say. Oh, I can get your cans of beer up there. Okay. So what do you think of the bathroom? I think that's quite good actually. The van's only, the size isn't written, but it's about 6 meters, so it's just over I think. And you've got a skylight up there as well. And there's additional lighting. Access to your electrics there. Now you can hear the Hoover going off, but it's not too much of a bother, and as I've said in many other films, the time I've got to film is before people come in. Otherwise, I can't, you can't do anything. Yesterday I started filming a van 7 times, and this was when, even before the public was allowed in, and 7 times I had to stop. So it's because people sort of just start asking me questions or get in the way or something like that. So the only time to do it is now with the Hoovers. And if anybody knows how to take the Hoover noise out, well, I'll listen to it and I'll do it. So we've got the internal temperature 19.6, I think that's the internal temperature. Well, of course we are in a hall, so it may be the external temperature as in the hall. Webasto door heating. Okay, it's a camper van with a small amount of space. It's got a small footprint. So if you want to know more, there's the website. I'll show you around the outside now a bit as well. And we've got some other vans here, which you can see here. Citroen, Volkswagen. Last year I filmed one of their Volkswagens. I also filmed a trailer unit as well. And over here is a crafter. Good, so if you want to see any more vans, then you can subscribe to my channel and you can see them there. You may have heard that then, although it was a bit said in Polish, that Alan, I don't want to be in your film. Don't know why, hard to believe. It'll be my film and, you know, a few weeks time be in Hollywood. Who knows?